Hi guys, today I want to go over 5 ways you can make money online in 2022. Whether you want to work from home, be your own boss, earn an extra income from a side hustle, or whatever it is, these will all work if you put the effort in and stick to a plan. Be sure to stay to the end to see an additional bonus method that helps more people to make a full-time income online than any other method. So let's dive in. Number 1. Sell your photos. Do you have photo skills or live in an area where images are in demand? Stock photography websites are huge repositories of photographs covering almost every possible subject you could imagine. So how does it work? Photographers can upload their images to any of a number of huge databases, allowing magazine editors, designers, or any organization with a website to buy them. And the beauty of stock website photos can be sold any number of times, so you can continue to make money without any effort. Photography sites to check out include Shutterstock, PhotoShelter, and Getty Images. Number 2. Create how-to videos. In recent years, YouTube has grown into the go-to source for all manner of video courses and guides. Instructors can monetize their videos by charging a subscription fee or password protecting content for paying customers only. Some real estate agents are making $100,000 a month on YouTube. Another piece of advice: get to know phrases that people are searching for, i.e. keyword research. To find potential search phrases, start typing "how to" and then your topic into YouTube search bar and notice what phrases are generated in the autofill drop-down. Make sure to use the same keywords when you write your video title, your description, and your tags. Number 3. Become a copywriter. Want to earn a great income no matter where you live? A house by the sea in Latin America, a historic European city, or even on a Greek island? Copywriting could be ideal for you. You see, copywriting is a mega industry ripe with opportunity. The industry is yearning for people who can fuel it with fresh marketing messages, and one of the best benefits of the freelance copywriter lifestyle is you can get paid in US dollars, yet live virtually anywhere in the world. Have you tried any of these make money hustles? Let me know in the comment section below. Number 4. Teach English. If you're a native English speaker, you may not realize it, but you already have the number 1 qualification you need for a fun, portable income that can hand you a steady paycheck from anywhere in the world. Some resources include GoOverseas.com, Teachaway, iTutor Group, and English Hunt. Number 5. Turn your interests into a podcast that pays. Podcasting doesn't have to be complicated. With a microphone, a laptop, and free recording software, you're up and running. Plus, podcasts don't need to run every day. Once a week is best, and they're better when they're shorter anyway, right? There are a number of ways to make money from a podcast. The most obvious is commercial sponsorship, but you can also use it as a platform to advertise your own products or services. NPR has a great guide to launching a podcast. Now, before we get to the bonus section, I want to welcome you to the Watch Till the End Club. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Hitting subscribe or like is a quick action for you, and it would mean a great deal to me. So on to our bonus. This particular bonus is what a lot of YouTubers use to make the majority of their money. So set up and sell your own online course. You can create a whole online course with tutorials, PDF downloads, video downloads. It's a great way to create passive income because people will pay for the info and can go at their own pace or post questions related to the course in a dedicated group. Here's a resource for creating and selling online courses: LearnWorlds, which makes it possible for anyone to profit from their knowledge and experience by creating an online program. If you need any more details on any of the topics covered today, just leave a comment below the video and I'll try to help if I can. Also, check out this video. I think you'll find it useful. Until next time, take care.